Hello children, now let us do few more numericals based on the intertrigonometric relationships and three identities of trigonometry. Please have a problem here. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square, a very nice question, and many a times this has come in the board examinations, plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Have patience. Solution. Consider left hand side. It is a plus b whole square. So let us write that. A square plus b square means cosecant square A plus 2 sin A into cosecant A plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A into secant A. Now, any possibility of using the identity, you should use it. So, I will write this as sin square A plus cos square A. I will put that in bracket plus see 2 sin A, cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A. So, I have used this also. Here also, you have 2 cos A and secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Plus, now what do you have? You have cosecant square A, you have cosecant square A plus secant square A. Now check here, sin A and sin A cancel, cos A and cos A cancel. What is sin square A plus cos square A? 1 plus 2 plus this is 2 plus you have to convert this in terms of cot. You have to convert this in terms of tan using a trigonometric identity. So, cosecant square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A. Secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A. Why? Because we have the identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So, therefore, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So, if I want to write cosecant square A, I will write as 1 plus cot square A. There you go. Similarly, you have the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta. In the examination also, make sure that you write these identities is equal to 1. This is one identity. And next identity is secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So, you must be always aware of the identity. So, secant square A is 1 plus tan square A. And you start counting. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, and that is your right hand side. A very nice question, usually comes in the board examination. So I want you to pause the video and then move out for the next question. Please pause the video. Yes children, a very important question. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? See here, given secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, it implies secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. Secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta are reciprocal to each other. Why? You have the identity, when this identity is there, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. They are reciprocal to each other. So, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. And let us add both the equations. When you add both the equations, plus tan theta minus tan theta cancel. Secant theta plus secant theta is 2 secant theta, and this is equal to P plus 1 by P. So 2 times secant theta is equal to what is the LCM? LCM is P. 1 goes P times P into P, P square. P goes 1 time, 1 into 1, 1. So you have secant theta is equal to P square plus 1 by 2p, right? Secant theta is equal to P square plus 1 by 2p. Now, what am I going to do? I am going to take or draw the triangle, call this as theta. Now, as per the ratios, secant is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent to theta. So, secant is hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse value here? P square plus 1 by 2p. 2p is adjacent to theta. So, I will call this as A. This is B, this is C. P square plus 1 by 2p. Now I have to find BC. We know that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square is 2P whole square plus BC square is equal to AC square, P square plus 1 whole square. So BC square is equal to P square plus 1 whole square minus 4P square. Now 4P square I will write as 4 into P square into 1. Now if I read this carefully, if I read P square as A and 1 as B, this will become A plus B whole square minus 4AB. What is A plus B whole square minus 4AB? It is A minus B whole square. So that is your trigonometric identity. Please try to understand. I write a formula for you. A plus B whole square minus 4AB. What is that? It is A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 4AB. What is 2AB minus 4AB? Minus 2AB. So you have A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB is what? A minus B whole square. So it is A minus B means P square minus 1 whole square. So BC I want. So what is BC is equal to under root of this. So under root of this means simply it is P square minus 1. So once the triangle is complete, this value is how much? P square minus 1. What am I? I am interested in? I am interested to find the value of secant theta minus tan theta, and also let me write here, and also find sin theta, right? This is the extension of the problem. Also find sin theta. So I'll say therefore I have found the value of secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by P, and what is the value of sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is P square minus 1 by what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is P square plus 1. So in this way, if the problem is asked, find the value of secant theta minus tan theta and find sin theta, you have to do the problem in this particular manner. It's a very important question, my dear children. So I want you to pause the video, understand the problem and try to do the problem without looking at the video. Yes children, next question. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Now this question can be done like the previous model by taking cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. I can write cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Then it implies cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Just like we did in the previous problem, and then adding and subtracting. In the similar fashion you will get the triangle. Once you get the triangle, you find cos theta from that. That is one methodology. You can proceed that way. Otherwise, I will tell you one simple methodology where we simply consider RHS, consider right hand side. What is right hand side? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1, and substitute the value of k. What is k? Cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1. What is a plus b whole square again? A square plus b square plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta plus 1. Now, cosecant square theta minus 1, I will write here. Cosecant square theta minus 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta by 1 plus cot square theta, I will write here 1 plus cot square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Now it's an identity. What is identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So cosecant square theta minus 1 can be written as what? Cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta by. Similarly, what will be cosecant square theta is equal to this minus cot square go that side plus 1 plus cot square. So 1 plus cot square theta can be written as cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. What is cot square theta plus cot square theta? 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta by cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta is 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Now what is it you can take common? I can take 2 cot theta common. When you take 2 cot theta common, it is cot theta plus cosecant theta by. I will have to take 2 cosecant theta common. So when I take 2 cosecant theta, it is cosecant theta plus cot theta. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Now cosecant plus cot and cosecant plus cot both are same. A plus b and b plus a same. That will be cancelled. Now I will write it is a cot theta by cosecant theta. Still I have taken RHS, but my LHS is cos theta. So what am I going to do? I will write cot theta as cos theta by sin theta and cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta. Sin theta cancel. What do you get? You get cos theta, and that is your LHS. You took RHS and now you have LHS. So in this way, children, this is a very, very important question. I want you to pause the video and try to go through and try to do the problem without looking at the video, right? And keep practicing. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.